Doing well and good, and it is me, Dr. Amrita here. So today in this video we are just targeting NEET PG 2025. You all know that there is 19 subjects, isn't so? Yes, of course. So how to crack those subjects on the basis of weightage? So when you analyze through the previous years, of course, you can definitely understand, yes, there are certain subjects have got very important and so much weightage, and you want to give importance for those subjects at most. Questions being asked on integrated basis. So if you ask me, yes, we need to knack the exam in a wise trick manner. So which is the subject to give importance is always surgery. So if you're going to start, just revise well and good surgery, OBG, PSM, pathology, microbiology. These five subjects should be within fingertips. Because when you analyze the previous years, you can definitely know that the questions from surgery OBG is picking the most. And medicine is always important. Just integrate with other subjects. So these are the five subjects that you want to give the most important, because in the previous year also you can see there were plenty of questions integrated with infectious disease, the microbiology, that's from the medicine. So they are very much interested in integrating. So then you analyze the short subjects, of course. Ortho is important, anesthesia, psychiatry. Anesthesia last year they have given much more importance, and you see so many unexpected questions. So give much importance for anesthesia, psychiatry also. Never skip this. And along with that, learn radiology, because last time, yes, of course, definitely there were so many questions from radiology and so many standard questions. So radiology also give importance, and also DEMET. So after finishing this, so this five subjects plus medicine, of course, and this short subjects, when you analyze and go towards the first year subjects, anatomy, biochemistry, physiology. So if you ask me which one I do need to give importance, I will definitely say that give importance for biochemistry, because biochemistry with pediatrics, that's the most area of this integration. So first learn biochemistry well and good. Then read physio. A huge amount of time behind this anatomy. Is it wise? If you ask me, I will say no. Because when you analyze the past 5 years, you can see that there is a graph of decreasing the number of questions from anatomy. So in my previous videos, I've already mentioned that how to learn. Yes, of course, there will be definitely a question from histology. Yeah, when you analyze, of course, there is a question from histology, there is a question from bond, there is a question from nerve, there is a question from identification. So this is 100% sure. So when you learn in that aspect. So physio, that baroreceptor reflex and all those things, that I have put a separate video itself. Please look to my previous videos. You will be seeing that. So first year, just give importance for biochemistry, then anatomy and physio. Okay. Then if you say about the second year, yes, forensic medicine, you have seen more number of questions. When you compare with 2024 and 2023, there were more questions this last 2024. So please don't skip. Forensic medicine is also being very important. So after that, if you ask me micropatho, of course, please never skip this micro. Patho is equal. Very important. And also pharmac, all about concept. Of course, there will be questions that you will be knowing. The concept should be clear in pharmac. That is the only way to succeed pharmac. Then about third year subject, ENT, ophthalm, community. This I have already mentioned. Community is very important. Just your areas of mark from community. Please give that much important. And when you ask me ENT, ophthalm, first give importance for ophthalm, then ENT. So ENT, if they want to make the exam so tough, of course you can see some, yes, new questions from ENT. Please learn ENT, very important. Then comes to the final year, all are important. Yes, pediatrics is important, of course. Surgery, OBG, and all other I have said. So please never lose your hope. Of course, you will definitely succeed. As always, I say, difficult roads often lead to beautiful destination. Of course, you will definitely rock. If you want motivation or anything, please do message me, guys, in my YouTube. Yes, of course. Thank you all for listening me, and all the best for everyone. Thank you all.